In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate values in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to scan a sheet and spot repeated entries without setting up formulas or complex workflows. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing in. For this walkthrough, make sure you're in the grid view so you can see rows and columns clearly. Next, head to your workspace from the left sidebar and open the sheet you want to review. Give the page a moment to load so all rows are visible on screen. Now use your browser's Find tool. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F. On a Mac, press Command plus F. A small search box will appear in the corner of your browser window. This is the easiest way to jump through repeated values anywhere on the sheet. In the search box, type the value you want to check for duplicates. This could be a contact name, an email address, an order number, or any identifier that should be unique. Press Enter to jump to the first match. Press Enter again to move to the next occurrence, and keep pressing Enter to cycle through each match across the sheet. If you need to go back to a previous match, hold Shift and press Enter. You'll notice the search box often shows a counter like 1 of 5, which helps you immediately understand how many duplicates exist. As you jump from match to match, watch which column you're landing in. Duplicates in an ID or email column usually matter more than duplicates in a notes column. If you're seeing more matches than expected, you might be catching partial matches. For example, searching for 1, 2, 3 will also find 1, 2, 3, 4. To be more precise, search for the complete value you care about. Also be mindful of punctuation or spaces. A trailing space can create a false difference. Most browsers don't match case by default, so ABC and ABC will be treated the same. If you need case-sensitive checks, look for the match case option in your browser's Find tool. When the search cycles through multiple cells with the same value, you've confirmed duplicates are present. Take note of the rows and decide how you want to handle them later, whether that's merging records, updating one entry, or removing extras. For a smoother review, you can widen important columns, freeze key columns to keep context in view, or zoom out slightly to see more rows at once while you step through matches. That's it. Open your sheet, use the Find shortcut, press Enter to cycle, and you'll quickly see duplicated values. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning in Smartsheet.